So having a torque wrench set for your bike is pretty important, with the need to torque down bike components to the correct tension, helping to avoid damage to parts due to over-tightening, and then keeping parts from coming undone from under-tightening. The only problem is that a lot of these torque sets are super expensive, with some of the bigger brands costing upwards of $80. So when I heard that there was a torque wrench set for only $24, I just had to check it out. So in this video, we're gonna go over the Anpuds torque wrench set to see how good it really is, especially considering it's a third of the cost of the competition. So now, let's check it out. So Anpuds is a tool company that specializes in torque tools, and now they've entered the bike tool market with their bike torque wrench set. And admittedly, I never heard of Anpuds before, but the set has really good reviews on Amazon, and as far as I could tell, it's the lowest priced torque wrench set with a high rating. So the torque wrench comes in a plastic case, and includes not only an instruction manual, but also an inspection certificate that verifies the tool met the ISO 6789 and ASME standards. The torque wrench itself is made of 6061 aluminum. It's actually pretty good looking, with its yellow gold color accents, and it has steel internals with a 72 tooth ratchet head. It's actually pretty light and has a length of 9.5 inches. And the torque wrench has many adjustments. You can do between 20 and 240 inches per pound, or 2.3 to 27.1 newton meters, with the indicator lines for inches per pound on one side of the wrench and newton meters on the other side. And unlike other bike torque wrench sets I've used in the past, there's a ton of different bits that are supplied, including the 3mm hex, a 4mm hex, a 5mm hex, 8mm hex, 9mm hex, a 10mm hex, a T25, T27, T30, sockets between 8mm and 15mm, a 1/8 adapter, and extension. And the wrench is super easy to use. All you have to do is set the torque setting by pulling down on the yellow piece and twist until you get the setting that you want. Attach the bit you need, and then tighten until the tool clicks. I also compared this tool against a much more expensive torque wrench set that I have, and the torque specs were spot on. And one of my favorite things about the tool is that since it includes sockets, it allows you to use the torque wrench on other things other than bikes. I've been able to use it on my dirt bike, my Honda Grom, and even my project truck. So overall, I'm very happy with this torque wrench set. With a lot of bikes now having carbon and a lot of high-end parts, it's much more important to tighten these parts down to spec. So it is nice to have a tool that's well made, good looking, accurate, ergonomic, lightweight, and most of all affordable. And the fact that I can use it on other things other than bikes means that I'll be using this torque wrench set for many years to come. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great one.